Hello, good morning, Alex here. So today we are going to make a short video on this limit data that appears on your screen. So this is talking about how do we insert filter and do some sorting, and how do we select the filter inside Excel. So when we have a lot of data, so once we have too many data, then we are very hard to view it overall. So we will either do some sorting or do some filter. So in Excel, we need to go to the data tab. So here we have this sorting and filter here. So to insert the filter, we can just highlight on the title and then just click filter. So now all these columns here, filter are activated. So even though it's called filter, but once you click on this small arrow, you will see the option you can do some sorting here. So you can do sorting A to Z, Z to A, and also sorting by color. So this is sorting by color. So you can see this. So now we put it back as A to Z. So A will come up here. So this is sorting. And then to filter, let's say we want to filter. So this is the selection here. So whatever you do not want to see, you can just uncheck. So Excel will show you the remainings. If you want to uncheck all and only select one of it, you can just click here, unselect all, and then select Europe. Then Excel will only show you the Europe data. So this is a very useful function to filter. You can also filter by color. If you have some highlighted cells, so you can filter by color. So let's see how it works. So when we filter by color, so as you can see now, only those with color are shown. To remove the filter, just click here, select all, or clear filter. Okay, so thanks for watching.